Hello friends, today we are going to make a very simple mooli ki chutney or radish chutney. This video has gone viral and everyone is making this chutney. So I was also tempted to make it. Believe me, with such few ingredients, the chutney tasted amazing. I think the mustard oil has done the trick, the magic. The flavor was too good. And don't ever try to make this chutney with any other oil. It will not taste the same. And this chutney can be served along with parathas, rotis, or I even tried making sandwich. You could even replace your mayonnaise salad in the burger with this. It will really taste awesome. I tried it and you better give it a try and I'm sure you will also love it. In a pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Use only mustard oil, do not replace it with any other oil. Let it become hot. Now reduce the flame, add 2 tomatoes cut into halves. Place them in the oil. Add about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. You can add more also if you like. 1 or 2 chillies as per your liking. You can add red chillies or green chillies, whatever you like. Let them cook on low flame. After some time you flip the side of the tomatoes. You can increase the flame to medium. Once the garlic and chilies are brown in color, remove them into a plate. Fried garlic gives this chutney amazing flavors. Now this is done. Continue to cook the tomatoes now until they are charred. You can do this on medium flame, flipping it once or twice. You can see now the skin can be removed very easily. Discard the skin with the help of tongs. Tomatoes are ready to be ground or crushed. Now transfer them into a chopper, or you could do this in a pestle and mortar too. If you have silbatta or marble pestle, you can use that also. Add also the garlic and chilies to the tomatoes and blend them just on pulse mode 2 or 3 times. We only need to crush them. Now to this we will add some coriander leaves, handful of chopped onion, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and chilli powder. The spice level can be adjusted as per your taste. Again run the chopper on pulse mode 3 times. That's it. Now remove it into a bowl. To this chutney add about 3 tablespoons of grated radish or mooli and squeeze out little lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon. Give it a nice mix and the chutney is ready. So simple. You can have it immediately too. It's just ready to serve. But you can store it in the refrigerator as well and enjoy it for few more days. And if you want it to stay longer, you can add more mustard oil. Heat it, cool it and add it to the chutney. Enjoy it with parathas, puris, sandwiches. It's amazingly delicious. Try it. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye bye.